Hi, I'm Chloe. Today I'm going to talk about the Chinese New Year picture, 中国年画. It is a form of colored woodblock print used for decoration and the performance of celebrations during the Chinese New Year. It has over 2,000 years of history. It began with the printing of the door gods, the kitchen god, and the god of wealth. Images of women and babies were common. Traditionally, as each Chinese New Year arrives, every family replaces its previous New Year picture in order to say goodbye to the past and welcome to the future. In Chinese, 辞旧迎新. Today we are going to make 年画 by using a polystyrene sheet. I'm gonna be on TV!
I like your idea.
Wait, should I draw spider? I'm
Put that Chinese character on his chest.
Happy Chinese New Year! Happy New Year! Happy Chinese New Year!